What's cracking, family? What's up, YouTube? What up, my friends? What up, the fam? What up, my supporters? Shout out to you guys, man. Peace and blessings to everybody before we get started. As always, wish you guys nothing but the best. You know what time it is. SGK Deuce Troy /5 Sneaker Network. SGK 23 / SGK 5 Sneaker Review, Sneaker Channel. But it's the SGK 23 Sneaker Show. For a second here, I forgot like what I was supposed to do. I told you like on the last video, not the UA videos, on our videos, we're gonna stick to the SB, the skateboard, Nike Wave, also the feelers down there. I didn't get to do that yet, so I'll do them after this. And we're getting to where this is this issue's being cleared out. So I'm trying to make sure I do all the reviews on the joints that are here that I haven't done reviews on, whether new or old or never done, so on and so on. You know what I'm saying? Because all the packages are coming in for the studio, people working, soundproof is done, the booth is on its way on the 30th. So everything is, I had to order a lot of stuff via Amazon, Music Supply, Street Water, and it's like, the 24th, the 27th, the 26th, the 29th, the 30th. But by the 1st, everything is here. So by that time, there should be no sneaker boxes in here at all, except the ones I bring in to do a review and things like that. So that's a good look. Also, I ordered this joint just in case anybody's wondering. Just a little pad to kind of clean up the desk a little bit. I had to order one of these so I can hook this up to the main mixer right here, so we can have calls come in when we're doing live. People can call in instead of holding the phone to a microphone and all that. But not for right now. You know what I'm saying? We'll talk about that when the studio's finished and do a whole review. Blam. Nike Dunk High Premiums SBs. SBs always standing for skateboard. For those that didn't know, 10 US, 9 UK. Lights on this one. 110 box price. Undefeated pickup. This is probably 2016 or something like that. Not sure, but I told you we're gonna stick on the SB wave. As far as getting dope SBs out the way. And here these go. Fire Flames. You guys seen the Gasparilla video. My man's, he won the bait pendant. Getting it out to you, brother. Getting it out to you. Just relax. Everything is shut down. They arresting people on the street, so on and so on. You feel me? But I should get that out to you by, today is Saturday. No later than Tuesday, I should ship that bait pendant out to you. So this is the review that we're doing on this. Extra set of laces, skateboard, SBs, premium, dunk highs. I'm not sure what the difference is, but hey. And let's get to it right away. Pick up the SBs if you like SBs like me. I love them. Highs better than lows for me. They always go up in price, especially now. Give me a few shots, nothing too crazy. Just want to make sure we get these SBs out the way. We have like that honeycomb, threading I talked about a lot of times. Yellow footbed. Extra laces, yeah. But what is the difference? I don't really know what the difference is with the extra laces. They go to look from the front. You know what I'm saying? You can see the toe cap. You can see the toe box. Blam. Right? Pretty simple on these. Pretty clean. Pretty earthy type of look. Very well made. Go to bottom. SBs, Nike SB, kind of like a gold jump off. The brown, right? See the stitching on the mid, kind of pops. We got this, furry suede. Same with the swoosh. These are the brown L's, I believe, right? The correct colorway is L brown, yellow. Yeah, so these are like the L brown as far as like the colorway. If you have these, don't let them go. Don't be one of them stock X people that, you know, the recession hit, so we're gonna let everything go and you're gonna give it to me because I'm gonna buy them all. Don't be one of them. Be one like me that buys them all. See the yellow Nike SB Dunk High Pros, the honeycomb jump off all throughout the tongue. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful pair of kicks. I'm gonna stick on the SB Wave and show you guys some real cool dunks or skateboard Nikes jump off. Very, very dope. Very, very furry. You know, type of suede throughout the joints. $7.50 Yeezy chocolates right here. Just a different tone. Very long cut suede, furry type of suede with, again, the honeycomb or the, you know, that braiding type of jump off. You know what I'm saying? I've done this for you guys a few times. A lot of people probably never seen it, like on the videos, because they might have missed it. It's kind of like they do like this, and then like this, then this one comes this way, then this one comes this way, then this one, and so on and so on and so on. That's kind of the honeycomb jump off that you're seeing right here. But this is a little different. This is like higher quality. You know, it's not, I don't know what material it is, but it's super soft. You can kind of see the mid. Go to back. Hold on. Go to back. Same, you know what I'm saying? Throughout. Lights on this time. I just did the UA Air Force One Travis Scott OGs whites. Very, very butter. Yeah, that's something I probably did. Again, these are like 2015 or something, as far as like release or drop. A1 super quality, you feel me? I wish it would have did like some yellow laces or, you know, brown with some yellow hits on this instead. I feel like these are the same laces. Two different, like, you know, fabrics, but the same. All through the tongue again, blam, Nike SB. We do have the yellow hits. The inside, blam, there you go. Super thick. You guys know the SBs for skateboard, whether lows or highs. Nike SB, Zoom Air, of course. You know. Just the SB always just stands for skateboard, for those that didn't know, lows or high. Quick Strike, Premium, so on and so on. The Zoom Air is going to be there on certain ones. That's why those cost more. It just depends, man. There's a lot of SBs right now. That's the wave. That's the wave. Yeah, there's a lot of SBs right now on StockX for great prices that I got bids on and copping, you know. Nike Dunk High Premium SB skateboard Dunk Highs. When you get the premium, you usually get the Zoom Air jump off, and if I take off the bottom, you'll see like the little jump off where I showed before. But yeah, sticking to the SB wave and getting these out the way. Great quality toe cap, toe box, pivot point, you know, skateboard joints, very padded, super clean, super earthy, you know what I'm saying? And again, with like any type of kicks, you can play with laces and, you know, do whatever you want. I don't know why the same. I think these are lighter. Two different materials, fabrics. But the honeycomb jump off is really, really dope throughout the whole tongue. You know what I'm saying? All the way, no stopping, all the way to for the toe box of the kicks. You know, long cut suede or furry suede. Chocolate 750 easy. You know, if not longer. And blam, that's it. We're just trying to get these SBs out the way without breaking any mixing boards, anything of that nature. You know what I'm saying? See the inside now that we hit the light on this side? Super thick, padded, dope insole. Nice little touch on the tongue. See what I'm saying? Lighting. Again, that honeycomb jump off. Pretty wavy. Pretty nice. And yeah, like I said, I'm trying to get these out the way so we can clear out. You know what I'm saying? Again, butter. You probably can grab these for under 300 on StockX. And for me, it'd be like, yo, grab them. Just like the Gasparillas and any other ones. You know what I'm saying? Like just super steals with, along with everything else. Certain things are a little high, but they're still lower than usual. It is a recession, so spend your money wisely. Take care. Peace and blessings. And the next one I should do these Fila shelter collaboration mind blowers, which are pretty ill. I posted them on my IG. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter for the latest links, early links, like I did yesterday with the linen Yeezys, with the DMP straight link. A lot of people hit. A lot of people that didn't follow, of course, they didn't hit, so on and so on. And yeah, peace and blessings. This was kind of the wave for the night to get these SBs out the way. The really ones that I like. And then later on, I'll, you know, touch up on some other ones and stuff like that. Maybe do the De La Souls next or something. But really nice, especially when you get this type of quality that's like, you know, it takes a little bit of, you know, a little bit more money, a little bit of more labor, per se. You know? This I don't really understand, like, but they're skateboard shoes, so you mess up your laces, you got an extra set. This is kind of where, like, the SB kind of went into, like, giving you an extra set of laces that are the same laces. Because you're skateboarding in them joints, so you might mess up the laces, and you need an extra set. They give you the extra set, which are the same jump offs. Not all the time. When it's really wavy, you get, like, you know, you might have got some brown with some yellow or some yellow joints, but it is what it is. Peace and blessings. If you guys enjoyed this review, this little unboxing, you guys know what you could do. Support the real, support your boy, support the real, not the phonies, and peace and blessings. Everybody stay up. Let me know what you guys think about these as far as like earth colors and just the brown, the pale ale brown, correct term for these. It's kind of, you know, give you air shots, you know what I'm saying? Pause. Talk about quality without spending $1,000 or so. There it is. Peace. Take care, guys. Catch you on the next one.